Starting an online business can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be overwhelming and challenging. With the right mindset, planning, and execution, anyone can start an online business and turn it into a successful venture. In this blog, we will discuss how to start an online business step by step, from finding your niche to launching your website and marketing your products or services. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to starting an online business is to choose your niche. A niche is a specific area of focus that you will specialize in, such as fashion, health and wellness, or tech gadgets. To choose your niche, consider your passions, interests, and expertise. What are you knowledgeable about, and what do you enjoy doing? This will help you choose a niche that you are passionate about and will enjoy working on. Once you have chosen your niche, research your competitors and target audience. Look at the market size, demand, and competition in your niche. This will help you identify potential opportunities and gaps in the market that you can fill. Step 2. Conduct market research. After choosing your niche, it's essential to conduct market research to validate your idea and ensure that there is a demand for your products or services. Market research involves gathering data and insights about your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. To conduct market research, you can use online tools such as Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and social media platforms to identify keywords, trends, and customer behavior. You can also survey potential customers, conduct focus groups, and analyze market reports to gain deeper insights into your target audience. Step 3. Develop your business plan. Once you have validated your idea, it's time to develop your business plan. A business plan is a roadmap that outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. It should include executive summary, a brief overview of your business, mission, and goals. Market analysis, an overview of your target audience, competition, and industry trends. Products or services, a detailed description of your products or services, including pricing, delivery, and fulfillment. Marketing strategy, a plan for promoting your business and attracting customers, including social media, email marketing, and SEO. Operations, a description of your day-to-day operations, including inventory management, shipping, and customer service. Financial projections, a detailed forecast of your revenue, expenses, and profits over the next few years. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licenses and permits. Once you have developed your business plan, it's time to register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. The specific requirements will vary depending on your location and industry, so it's important to research the requirements in your area. In general, you will need to register your business with your state or local government and obtain a tax ID number. You may also need to obtain a business license, seller's permit, and any other permits or certifications required in your industry. Step 5. Build your website. Your website is the digital storefront of your business and an essential tool for attracting customers and generating sales. To build your website, you can either hire a web designer or use a website builder such as WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace. When designing your website, focus on creating a user-friendly experience that showcases your products or services and makes it easy for customers to make a purchase. Your website should also be mobile-friendly, optimized for search engines, and secure to protect your customers' data. Step 6. Create compelling content. Content marketing is a powerful way to attract and engage your target audience and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. To create compelling content, you can write blog posts, create videos, and develop infographics that provide value to